You got the bun your shit. I'm trying to do it on a slick because there's a little bit. Eat a lot. Eat a lot.
What's up YouTube? It's Raina and I'm back with another video reporting live. Okay, I'm playing. What's up? I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing y'all my updated everyday makeup look. So I already started with my eyebrows on, and I primed on camera using the Milk Hydro Girl primer. That is my ride or die. That is what I use no matter what. After that, I go in with the LA Girl Orange Corrector. I color correct, something I gotta do as well. Next, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation. That's my go-to, and I keep saying that. Everything in this video is my go-to. Now I'm applying my concealer. I'm applying the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Concealer in the shade 390. Now I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Truffle to contour. Now to set my face, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Kunafa. Now I'm bronzing like usual. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in Tan to Deep. So I usually don't apply eyeshadow on my everyday makeup, but if I was to put eyeshadow on, this is what I would do. So I'm using the Colourpop Ornate eyeshadow palette. I'm guessing that's how you say it. And I'm using the color Charisma first, and apply that all on my eyelid and at the bottom as well. Next, I'm going in with the color Shh, but I really wouldn't have done this if I knew how dark it was gonna come out, but it ended up turning pretty, coming out pretty. So yeah, that's that on that. brush, and I use the Eyeshadow Charisma as my blush. Now I'm going in with highlighter, and I'm using the MAC Oh Darling highlighter, and I'm honestly just using it because it was right there. Next, I'm going to be applying some lashes, so I'm just prepping my natural lashes for them, and I am going to add some bottom lash mascara. So I'm just trying them on, see if that's the ones I wanted to wear. Now I'm going in with a brown lip liner. What is new, I'm going to be also going in with a Dose of Colors nude lipstick in More Creamer Please. And then I'm going to be topping it off with the Atole Colourpop lip gloss. And now I had to do a little bit of cleanup, so I'm just going back in with the Huda Beauty powder and just going under my contour, and then I'm just gonna brush all the excess away. But that is it for this video, y'all. That is it. Your girl looks amazing. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. That helps me out. I hope you enjoyed. Follow me on my social media. And bye. I'll see you on my next one.